fiti ani asese ne din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
GH and the reform money egusua muhe munya ba na ama owusua ebre no edu biem se ensema ekoso ewe my Ghana mu me de betu dwa se na mo so amohwe no mo behu bi ewo emu na ehu ensema abeto dwa te se Ghana ha se yenimda ya tete bi but say yehu ni say yeni gani say yehu say tembi say ekoso de enye ade title ewe my mu na otimu se ewiase be bi edu de enipatim ayesum ewudisem adoson ewe yetema se wudwum a ebro adwen ene ntiase ninya ne se eye endrada ena honorable openipa awogana hase wodi nsem bi ebetu dwa na ne nsem ne a eche se ukọ adeso ekro bi a edin ede edu kwadwo a eben mame dede holom ena eye edunsifo bi and from fetish priest be egu atese wo munyum mo di no se nyankoma de no mo yenyema eye ndro edemankofo no enu bi ene wo mo di ho na eye tip of bi ene wo munyaye ene ma police for ekopie mu ho na police for ekopie mu ho enyam wo mo di wo mani hu ye di wo mo ye fi asase ase ewo eye shrine hodom no ebutafo esemaso moni ene bibia wo mo ho krapa mo betimi edia etin nsem we atese mo betimi eyi adwen ho ate ase ebro adwen ate so yentie efi honorable ankasa enum
no Ghana they becoming very sophisticated in the community and man from one another and they are political echo adesso echo preaching and cophobia XD on the point may better mature strategy a common passel to locate but in short omoko na obi wo ko so nipa miro e piero adesso o muso o que go for the digital global really omo assume full body o go for the nipa mind wa e mema miro e no baba no o mo abu ni chino o mo de skele tu fe oba underwear and the tree adjusted. And remember me, my was killed in January, my was killed in February. Make the homework I confess you, but my message.
Omo police watch or omo confessing.
Not that I confess, yes. I don't go to what you know. Now we are so good to know what get me. That's what you have to say. It's a good. It was something to do. Only the Muslim. So what is a draw? Who get out there so for no better than this. 3 years will be a pick up and come out there to moment. When is all the idea? Now, after November out, and you can see a panel, we will have one will be found. And then, as soon as we better than we would be. When we are watching, you will be found. Only effect who goes to England. Only to be petty. Emma, a nipa there is a rabbi, which means already one common angel. True story, I'm going to and let anything.
But the police for no free a cry now, move free.
No free a cry, the court. And not get that number. If you know why you break news to just in kilo. I don't want to pay into detail. But the free area mandate of doing after my meeting. All in the name of the political control. Because, and one is on the bone morning, I know 1 year too much. So I say, they said that from the 19th America, come to Mars, also come to Mars, say a baby. You need to avoid that. If you get the don't pick up, 100 meters, and what we get into and at the end, who could be a year, who could say true. Or must be possible and what you and who will say and pull a show. My 400,000 to do was 400,000. That is a lie. When you tell her, or no one will be found out from the organ. The Oromo could be found generally. You back by say, first of all, your mammy years in what we buy him now, no matter if you don't get it. We yield on our vote you. A paper say, 400,000, you do 400,000. There was only 20,000 bills and one family. All banana is up. Now, one more can I didn't know if you can do that's not having the account. And I will again, and I do take out and I put it. And I do this out there. Because they educate you Ghana. Now, the Ayaka will keep you doing radio down. Who keep them over? We are from next week. Okay. After my meeting, I am afraid. Because you are any pekia. Babram, you are here. Is there one man ever? Now, I was not to me. Yeah, every amount of value. Every people now we're doing our way of
Ebusiafo no na Honorable Kennedy Japan wodwidwi egu from Emma Obia anya so etiye no. Ebusiafo sema mate o masum no eye ahudwiri ma me say ahose gumi hu nia me hu de me ye me hu sesi a mete ase. When say sa na wo so wotie ensem we no eye o baby a owo no. Na edubre a Ghana for so se na Honorable eka no ye be hu se edumaden eboa ema wotimi etumpom ewa babom eboa ema wotimi diye na nya sikedo atese ye bebu na omo ba ne mpenefo mo metu omo ahye ele be bi obefa bia wo bi pio se me ba yera me we ya yera me ye se aya doso we ye omo bre akoshe aposumsemu asofo mu twa atro eboni pa poji skefu omo sem wo hwe nyama hu ankofo eye mesa ye kesuma sem akire wa a obedwane ensem sisi ensem etese ikofo ye nyama nkasa ebi create mi na he da na no ada demon breaker de ensem etudwa uti so do krampo sika pe sike ni bre enti enokodi sanyama na echi e do di hu nkofo a obobobom de nya kokudo TVC e ka omo asem no he sesi ada no nyama na ba no enisuso do say nim say as a Christopher no ye we ye bem ye bete de chance and so oh broso doso dodo ebusiafo hwe sika penti o he de obi abrabo akowie sika wo bi penti he be bia wako end apple na news way Honorable eka no ensem no shada mbia ni ankyere yenye na so eye eyewitness a wo adesu kro no no so wo ho ebra police for eboru ashrine ho no e no de ono so version abetudwa e wa ha na ebusiafo ye hwese no no so eka na sem o say eye a police for no de nti a wo mo fi akra eba eye adesu edukwejo ebe mami dede ekro no so ne sem womunya tip off na tip off no munya na abrante bi so ye na ko ho ana kede ne koje tase ya man time no ha anka enche crab na kede ne be hanam ama wo mo sim nenti nyame adom na me ncha de na kwan bie ma no wotimi edwane fi ho no de otimi nya kwan edwane fi ho no de ti dom ko police for akache ede ne nsem ekoto police for enim eno ena ma police for etimi sorry fee eye wo nyuma omo post e wakra ha etuka pahwi ede ko adeso ekura ne di edukwajo honum eko eye abonsumfie wo na abonsumfie di kra daso kra ye mebufu eye power 1 spiritual and herbal center ya doso Ghana ha se obi aso herbal way herbal practitioner no no de polish omo ho ade omo ye no omo bete nipa be hu spiritual and herbal practitioners no mo de bog ba hwe omo nya kugudo aye signboard wo hwe pictures kwa bakra signboard ewo omo aso ye honum enu na ye ka ho asem o se NMC4 be to just say ye bane spiritualist ye edusifo ene malamfo enu na ma Ghana for do na energy you know science some way near enti hwe sikedro ene sikape ahokyira adokren kofo ene greediness enibre a bank kofo so no enu na akoma ebi mo wiese no wo ba be sia the second ma penechi akwan ye de picture bo be so ye messy ankofo ehwe nim se ho mehu no e wo fie we ana ne fun ye ku ni February ama ne fun e sha asase ase atese police for akoyi na se na honorable edin sem to se Monday die nsem e beto e wo yaso e wo Ghana ha se die e bebo adwen ene ntiase eso na eye spiritualist fo ya yekoto omo ha bom de police for e wo omo police for akati sesia no edin a ye de aba aye wo mu din ene Power One and a Scorpion confirm your new way and the sea no omo police for as akachia yeah omo going through investigations now almost so and you got two omo e Power One Herbal and Spiritual Center be a police for echo 2 bodies 4 ebiem so no bakoye body monocram for na identity cramp no won want me e chere an chere because ye twetwa no anyhow anyway ewo asoye no eso linia no ye ni edi echire ye hwe Ghana fo bi agentre a won de beto ja efa ensem we ehum we efi Oscar Ayibo say Kennedy is doing very well, great job. You are like Osajefo, working for the good of the nation where they are about and Odima Honorable Kennedy so why you not point in Yama Wayano or ya ase a year was Sajefo Dr. Kwabin Kuma what J or mine now junior ever or mine no ehum a jade wayan they were born home or power what they brought or mine Ghana a yes so as a fata about dear abasubodie we so efi I love Viano or no so dear or dear saying please the police should go to Berekum. If you are a stranger there at night, you are likely to be killed for rituals. Once you at the tip of air, but ebeya, send a police force so one tie and some was supreme edita kukudo echo shrine so echo nya a year bodies no honum. One bomb diana for Maka dear and some bora brekum chronoso. Nasa brekum chronoso dear, me matati won't send it that and a year reply we so ediaba. One also say brekum honum and najo, wo yo be a wolf chronoso, I won't nante. 190 by heart. Ama from me be a new waba producer or nothing and by heart now nantia and I will bet to penge nanti woman call her now muko a year spiritual sentence or how most and nama air cost to her panty a bear political so and so macadie and cobrecum so where so effing akusa all these are unfolding as a result of Kennedy Japan's revelation. Keep up. Our group is behind you, Pam. Lord Adesi, there was a words under pulpit in churches. Well done, Ghana police. We so if you Kwame Esel or say they deserve instant justice. Kill them, bastard. I think we have to start killing the festive spirits one by one in the country, Ghana. Malam, Akonfo, Asofo, who give money rituals like Obinim and others. We have to sit up as a country and flush them out because they are inhuman people who continue to terrorize citizens. As one has indicated, Berekum is one of the places people are dying like flies, all in the name of rituals. And also, I hate it on Berekum issue. And I police for where there information at the mamo. You see Berekum what dear. And go for the donor and I commenting about a honor. No, you see what dear. A year ritual killing so cost to a hopper, it's a hopper, the center part at the ritual killings. Where's to Effie Daniel Parker Longdon? Or say, wow, God is at work, but this is really sad. All the people have just lost their lives for nothing, all out of greed. What also edited here at WhatsApp. Abibao Ibrahim, also dear say, please, this is very accurate. Why? It is a town close to my house, and my husband is even telling me about her work. They tried to fraud him with his cow. They wanted to slaughter the cow before paying him, but he refused to enter into the house. And luckily for him, he didn't go alone. So it was later found out that the one who came to buy the cow went to the shrine for spiritual money and was asked to sacrifice human, but played with the spiritualist, and she decided he would bring a cow. So it is very true. And to wait so will be a wodi a dance alpha and sema honorable Kennedy Japan edia to dan say one akase mu ni kunu a woni eti dem living witness of the aircoso adesso shrine or Power One herbalist and spiritual center honom na obi eba ni kunu ho say wo ba beto ni nenchi a wono a enwe ewo efie na eno emu na okakuno wo beto no cheche mu say woko ho se enka wokoje sikedro e de chele se won fa nipa mba na nipa na won fa mba no hu ni se wanya bi nti wo be pa ni kun na cho se ka ni nenchi a wo hwe ni bi no won fa bako emma no se no betimi e de akopata eye abontofom no betimi nya de wo pe e wo no nti nsem na honorable Kennedy Japan e de abetu dwan eye no kwari todo eno na mami so e de abetu anu sidi wa so se Ghana, we are becoming too lazy, following all the flashy and vanity of riches and wealth. This is what is killing most of us. The love of money indeed is the root of evil. Not that money is not good, but loving money to the extent that of doing anything at all for money is what is the root of evil. People are doing real evil for money. One also Eddie Bible say Bible cry akada say sikechi yodi sikechi abone dodona ene be piefu maba enunti Ghana ha say no dodona do sika bomu flashy lifestyle go for dodona ye car way me car nie me ataye nie me store nie enu na aboni pa drama sisi ano odo ms kana be rank of akoma mate so bibi o meye bie tiri nya sika no wo mo ye enu na ma Bible nsem no abeye no correct to do we still the amidi a chat to if live or say good job there, bravo to Ghana police. We need more men like you to be going and terrorizing all these centers. It is because of these same spiritualists that we are having hectic lives with the pastors, the fake ones also, because they are empowering them, helping them to kill people, innocent pregnant women and children, to build churches that will harbor people whose destinies are already destroyed. Please, it's a good job. As we have started, continue till they are all eradicated from this land. The land is not clean. Or no so edia wode ebe to jano say Ghana assassino efi akam dodo na efi ukofo dodo na de efi akasasino moja edo so shegu assassino sama assassino efi ano ne buafu pa enu ti na bibia enko eye edunsifo we no wo mo na eye ndu akese edi ma asofo no mo so wo bo mo ku abatan eye ukofo wo nyim apemfo ene wo mo mba nia wo mo ku mo ede eye asore na nipa so ebrem na nipa no so mo wrem so no wo mo hyebra nyakopode mo so mfa bra asase ni nia so akọ tese aye basa mo enu nti sebe ya eye police fo wo mo nyuma pa wo ma sha se wo mo nye no wo mo nkoso a no wo mo nye na entimi emboa na kofo we nia yeyi o masekra e wo Ghana ha se na obia enya ne fa hodie e wo man ni emu na se busafo ha na mede eye comment no ebesi ye he bibi wa ha se fo ensem no ene dem nim pefe no ade bia wo kafa asem fa to dwa e wo tuma gh comment section na me hu de menka e fa ho o de fa comment no e bra na bia so subscribe na share na wo bibia obe bia so ehu de ekoso ene new revelations ye Honorable Kennedy Japan wo de abetu dwa amagana fo no me di edena na ama owusu a makramo